Good morning. It is Friday morning, about almost 8 o'clock. Got the baby this morning. We are making biscuits. So I made some homemade biscuits in here. I don't know if y'all can see them. They're almost done. Let them brown a little bit. But besides that, we're just gonna clean up my mess from making biscuits. And I had a little helper, so it was extra messy. And I don't know what we're gonna do the rest of the day. Can you say good morning? Oh, you're so sweet. He's watching Paw Patrol, his go-to channel. But anyway, we will see what we can get into today and bring you along maybe. Okay, so right now I am starting to take this ceiling fan down to put the other one up that looks like this one. Hopefully it don't have a wobble like that one does. But I'm gonna put this one, take this one down, and I don't think I can get the other one up by myself just because it's so heavy. I don't know if I can hold it with one hand and get it into the, like the ball that it sits in, or the bracket it sits in. So I can go ahead and get this down and get the other one ready, so when Darren comes home he can just set it up there for me. So we will do that and be back. So I've already got the blades off, and you ask how I have time when I have a baby. Well, he's taking a nap, so light switch is off. I guess I really should tape it, but as long as no one else is here to turn it on, we're all good. So I'm just going to take the light part down. I think my mother's getting ready to come over to get her medicine. As y'all know, she has dementia and that shit crazy. There's days of the week that she absolutely gives me a run for my money. Double check and make sure the light is still off, which it is. I definitely don't want to get bit by it, and it's down. Anybody can remove a ceiling fan. It's pretty easy, unless you're colorblind, and then it would be hard. So get my wires all straight here. This bracket needs to come down because the other one has one already, a different one. It's a different bracket altogether. That one stays. I think Darren's going to use this ceiling fan out in the chicken coop. So I'm gonna put all the screws. Guess I'll just leave them. Put them in here just so the boy don't eat them. I've dropped a lock washer. And one over here. I think I put one of the screws that goes to the other ceiling fan in here, but it's okay. They're just going to sit there. I'm going to try and put the other one up. I don't think I can though. I said, I think it's going to be too heavy for me to lift. And I'm just going to clean this up and get it ready. This is the bracket that goes up first. I'm going to clean it up and undo these other wires and all. So, and here comes Crazy through the door. So I will be back. Okay, I have gotten the bracket hung for this other ceiling fan. And not really sure if I'm going to be able to lift it up and hang it on this ball where it goes. If I can do that, I can get it hung and wired and working for D before he gets home. So I try to do the little stuff, well, not really little, but I try to do stuff like this that I can do, just so he doesn't have to fool with it, because he does do a lot and he does work a lot. So if I can pick this big ass thing up, we'll see. This may be hilarious. This may turn into a funny video. Or I may just fall and break it, and I guess, let's see. Nah. Well, if you didn't have that big stupid thing in the way. Oh shit. Look! Guys, I got it! Or something. It's in there. Make sure so it don't fall and break anything. Okay, now to wire this. This one really don't have that much room like the other one did. I don't guess neither one did. So your green and your ground wire will go together. And guys, it's all ceiling fans are pretty much the same thing. Your wires, some of them may be a different color, but most of them come with instructions. I've wired quite a few, so I mean, it's really not hard. It doesn't take a rocket scientist to put one up. I mean, unless, like I said, unless you're colorblind, you won't have any problems. But you know, when I was younger, I would watch and learn from my family. Like, I do have a brother that I don't have a relationship with, and I used to watch him build race cars and fix his car. So I know a good bit about cars, enough that I can change my own oil, change my flat tire, whatever I need to do, except the newer cars these days. I can pretty much do everything by myself. Get in there. So, okay, after you get your wires connected, you'll just fit this. Don't pinch your wires. That would be bad. But you will fit this, line up your screw marks. I kind of wanted to test it before I bolt it all up. Let me get a screw. Hold that thought. You know, oh, that one's got water in it. That's not a good thing. Okay. You know, if you get a spark, it's not wired good. Just kidding. Holy shit. I get a little nervous around electricity. I think we're just going to throw this bulb away. It's full of water. That probably would not. Light works. Ceiling fan don't. I wired it. Should be the same as the other one. Black is hot. White should be accessories, I think. Should be. Just going back and rechecking all of it. Make sure these two work. Green should be ground, I would think. Okay, I'm gonna connect the two green ones without. Sometimes when you move this stuff around, it gets all bent and out of shape. Okay. Really sure. There we go. Guys, we have a working ceiling fan. Cool. Got that done. He'll be proud. I kind of like doing that stuff for him. So, anyway, I'll get his reaction when he comes in. Okay, I've got it put back together. Everything's working. I gotta get some bulbs. I only have one that wasn't blown or full of water. So I will try to turn the camera on and get his reaction before he walks through the door. So stay continued and let me see if I can get it adjusted, and I'll make him cover his eyes. So that will be fun. I'll have this pointing towards the door. Here he comes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Okay, walk with them closed. Walk, walk. I ain't gonna run you into
Your hand smells like Murphy's Oil. It smells good.
You've been scratching my butt. Quit.
Huh?
Okay.
Look at you! I was going to help you this evening, baby.
I got it done. It worked.
Good job.
What do you think?
You did great.
It works. It's not wobbling like your fan.
Why do you call it my fan?
I only have one bulb. One was blown and one was filled up with water.
We may have some more of those teardrop or candle bulbs. You did great.
Thank you.
I'm very proud.
Thank you.
Oh, you're recording, aren't you?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, I guess I'm slow. You did a fantastic job.
Well, thank you.
I'm going to keep you.
I might sell you to the gypsies.
They don't come down this street anymore.
Nope, but I will call them.
I'm gonna go out and check on the ducks to see if we're incorporating everybody.
I forgot about them.
Okay. Ducks and the chickens, and we'll probably have to talk off camera about that if it went bad.
Maybe. You better go check them.
In just a second, guys, you're gonna see a picture of my beautiful wife. It's on one of these sides.
It might be that way.
It might be that way, because I'm not holding the camera. I think it's that way. But, and some videos on whatever side is not of
And then
us.
there's a button you push somewhere.
And then there's a button. Just push that button somewhere.
I think it's off to the side.
Oh, no, it's in there. Take care of your people.
And,
I got to take care of the chickens.
And click the bell.
And click the bell.
Yeah, to get notification. You have a new
no
video.
idea. I don't know anything about a bell, but okay, ring the bell, whatever that is. I gotta go.